Excuse me, sir.
How do you feel about not being invited to Vegas, sir? How do you feel? No comment. Ma'am, how do you feel? Sir, how do you feel about not being invited to Vegas?
Oh, yeah? What else?
You'll never ever see this again. Her bag's smaller than mine.
Well, yeah, that's about right.
Yeah, but how much of your stuff's in my bag?
Couple things.
Yeah, that's
You
what...
told me to get that, and I was looking at something else. Like, here, this will be good. So I trusted you, and I got that. I'm like, yeah, this is gonna be fun.
See, that's what you get for trusting me. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Fixed it! Good boy!
I'm already getting yelled at, but we're going to Las Vegas. Why are we going to Las Vegas?
See the Backstreet Boys.
Listen, I can explain, okay?
You're gonna have so much fun.
And she was supposed to go with another girl, and that didn't happen. And then this is her childhood dream, and being the good husband that I am,
Yep.
I'm excited too. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not. I'm doing this for moral support. So we're in the smallest airport I've ever been in my life, and they're not even here yet. It looks like a school. You get free parking here.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
Great call.
This is at least that's what the GPS said. It's Altoona something. AOO.
A mocha.
Oh, I need to drop a mocha. It's,
I need to get my
Did everything come out okay?
Yes.
Do you want to get the charging? Oh, we're fancy. Oh.
Do not touch the dessert thingies they charge.
No, let me get out.
Okay.
Let me get out of here. What? I'm not allowed to touch these? Why am I not allowed to touch these?
Because they charge you like $10 a night.
Oh.
My computer.
I already forgot this thing once, and I had to come back. I left the room a second time, and the only reason I remember because she was skipping for joy because the Backstreet Boys are coming here soon. Not soon. It's been a long day. We're going to be up for 23 hours, just so we can see these damn boys. And she's making me wear all white, because that's the attire for tonight.
Okay.
So much exciting.
Yes. The email logo.
I should have just brought the microphones too. I got both of them.
Oh yeah.
We could have had a commentary while we walked around.
We could have.
because that ended up tooting on film, and then it would have been real high quality, and we don't need that. Oh no, there's two of them.
There's an eyelash.
There's an eyeball. Oh, I see it. It's a bug.
And that's for my part of my glue from my eyelash. I got it out though.
I'm glad.
Yeah. Once I have my white outfit on.
Where did this one come from? I can't because of the lighting.
You figure
Oh,
this
there
way.
you go.
Oh.
Whoa. Where did I pick up this celebrity? I was just laying on the bed watching YouTube videos, and the next thing I know, here she comes. They set you up for failure here. Look at this. They charge you for anything you pick up off of this. There's little sensors inside of here. When you pick something up, you bought it. And it's the same for this refrigerator. They give you a mini fridge, but you're not allowed to use it. You're not. If there's alcohol and stuff, they got them little sensors. They got little trip sensors in the back of them, and there's little sensors in there. And anytime you pick something up, it charges you, and it's ridiculous. And if you put something in here that's not supposed to be in here, then they take it out and they charge you $75. She just hit her like second wind. Like if we were back home, it's almost like 9 o'clock back home. It's almost 5 o'clock here.
I hope I make it, though.
You're going to, because you're going to see your BSBs.
Yep.
I can't wait. I'm so excited. On top of self-driving cars here, they're just like little carriers that 4 people can sit in. There's no drivers. There's this. What? We go to Caesar's Palace, and she takes it too seriously.
Whatever.
Dress
I
up
wasn't
like
trying.
yeah. I was just getting ready to video you, and then I looked in the mirror, and I realized now I look like Mr. Clean. I'm
That's funny.
about to wash some dishes up in this place. In 14 minutes, I've officially been up for 24 hours. How was it?
No, that won't be till 12 o'clock here.
Oh yeah.
Then it will be 24
Okay.
hours.
It would be 23 hours. Whatever. It's close. How was it?
It was good. I enjoyed it.
Are they back?
They're back.
Good night, Vegas. We'll see you tomorrow.
Make sure you get yourself in the shower.
No, it's gonna happen.
Tomorrow.
This cutie's taking me out for breakfast this morning. Thanks. What gets me is we come out of that concert last night, it's dark out and it's still 100 degrees. The ground feels like an oven here. If you're in Vegas at Caesars, don't go to the Starbucks. It's horrible. Horrible. Awful. The almond and oats, that was like the best coffee I've had
Oh, it was amazing.
ever. It was good. The
It's in
food,
Henderson Township. It's about a 15-minute ride.
go there. Well, now we're going to go zip lining. We were going to go to Fremont Street, but we realized we're not really partiers, and that's really, besides zip lining, all you do there. So we're just, there's one outside the hotel here somewhere. Just fly links, something. You can see down your shirt. So this is Caesars, and right here's where we're going. That was a lot easier than going to Fremont.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah.
And we never done this one, so
No, we did fly at Fremont.
it was fun though.
Yeah.
Oh, we need to go.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Great now.
You think if I farted while I was ziplining, it would speed me up?
It might. And shit, so
Yeah.
see what happens.
Yeah. Let's see what happens. Well, it was fun. I wasn't allowed to take my camera, but not as exciting as Fremont zipline, but it was also half the price, so it was alright. See this? Showed my titties. It is pretty, girl. Hey, look. Titties.
Yep.
Run.
My foot and my back are hurting.
Because you're an old man.
Because I'm an old man, and she's making me go for a walk.
Just a little one.
Yeah.
It'll loosen it up.
I got a little something for you to loosen you up.
I don't know if you want to put that on there.
It's checkout time. What do we learn on this trip?
Oh, you're talking about.
We learned the TikTok fads, or just that TikTok fads.
Yeah, the Vanderpump restaurant was not
Yeah,
good.
don't go there. We went to a coffee shop too that I did video. The food was good. The coffee wasn't. It was just okay.
Yeah, that's a little.
Yeah, the coffee shop that almond and oat one we went to was really, really
It
good.
was delicious.
And the chocolate one we went to was really
Yeah,
good.
dandelion.
Dandelion chocolate.
Yeah, that was awesome.
Yes. The Google reviews are better than TikTok fads.
Yeah.
Look what I spotted. What is that? My foot hurts from being on my feet all the time. This one was running. I'm like, you better slow the F down. Walk your normal pace.
I get anxiety. I gotta get through the TSA, then I'll walk slow. Ew.
What? That was a and a burp at the same time.
Yeah,
They did give me a good pat down if I asked for it.
sure.
We made it home after late late plane. We made it.
Yeah. Someday I want to try that.
Okay.
Oh, everyone! Hi, baby!
Look at all my t-shirts. Stewie! Stewie! He ran. Look at him. Look at him out there.
He knows.
Did you miss Daddy? Stewie, come here.
Why do you make
Come on.
cages everywhere, man?
Come on. Stewie. Come here.
I know you're hungies.
Yeah, Daddy's gonna feed you. Oh, this is ridiculous.
me. So, oh, he's being so sweet to me.
Hi, Stewie. I know you missed me. You took every one of my shirts out of my shirt bin from under the bed. Thank you. Every single one of them. Hi, Stella. Hi. He said, I don't care about the pets. You need to feed me now. Oh, he gave me a lick. Oh, he said, nope, don't touch me. Come on. Just take it. You want to say bye?